Hi guys, I know my hair is looking very crazy today. It is raining, as you can tell, so I wasn't even gonna try with my hair today, but I was passing by this cute little town and I found this really cute antique store, so I want to go in and check it out. I don't have my camera with me, so I'm just filming on my phone. I hope the quality is gonna be good enough, but I want to show you guys how cute it is. Look how cute this antique store is. It seems like we'll find lots of good things in here. Let me open this window so you guys can see. It looks adorable. Let's walk in together and see what they have. So they have like restored sinks and a bunch of stuff like that. They have that little area, and then inside here, I guess we'll go in here first and then we can go check out those two areas. This is so cool. I didn't know I had this like a few minutes away from my house. I'm good. I've never been here before. I didn't even know you guys had this place here. I was driving by and saw it and had to stop by. Thank you. Oh, this is so cute. Wow. There's this really cute pearl necklace. These really cute salt and pepper shakers. These little candle sconces are so pretty. $35 for the pair. This bag is so cute. It's only $12. This would be really cute hanging on the wall with some like dried flowers in there for decor. I found another pair of wall sconces. These are $32 for the pair. Very cute. They have all these like oil lamp things, and these, I forgot what these are called, but like pendant light thing. And I really like these. There's this smaller one. It's like a globe for a like ceiling mount lamp. I really like that one. It's $97 for the large one and $49, basically $50 for the smaller one and $98 for the larger one. So pricey because it's not including like the flush mount light fixture. It's just the globe, but it's really pretty. Ooh. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. I wish I had a bigger set. Set of 4 for $12.50, which is a pretty good deal. These little jars are $9.50. So cute. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty cool. Like it kind of looks like something you would put fruit in. Don't know. If you guys know what this is, let me know. So cute. $9.50. This is also really cute. I like the little feet. It's $12. This is so cute. $5. $38. Even their restroom has things for sale. Look at this desk. This place is packed with things. rolling pins. Oh look, this used to be a kitchen in this house. Oh, look at this. This is cute. These knives look nice. These are so cute. $12 and $8. Those are really cute. This just opened. I think this is really cute too, but I would change out the pump. $9.50, but I do like this. I'll show you in the light. I just would change this pump out. I'm dressed like a bum because it's raining outside and I want it to be cozy. But look at all these old perfumes. This is kind of cool, like stacked mugs. I have the wide angle lens, like wide angle feature on right now, which might look weird. Alright, let's see what they have outside. I actually needed some planters. This is $4, but I don't know, it's kind of in bad shape. I needed some planters, but I needed some large ones, like very, very large ones, and I don't see any large ones here. Let's check out the back rooms. Look at this little pedestal sink with some mint in it, what it looks like. Oh wow. This is cute. Oh no. Sounds like it's starting to rain. This is so cute for some reason. There's some mirrors back there. This is so cute. $8. A little candle holder. A little chest right there. This is kind of cute. Sorry guys, I'm realizing how terrible the lighting is on this iPhone. Ooh, $15 for this. It's cute. Oh. These little cars. I'm trying to find like a dump truck for my nephew because that's been like his recent favorite word. He's been saying dump truck. Ooh, I like the texture in this wood and this stool. Really pretty. Maybe I should take off this wide angle. Hold on a second. Maybe that's better. That's pretty. I feel like my arm just looked extra long with that wide angle. Look how cute this little like bed frame. I think it's a set of two because it has like two headboards and two footboards. I don't know what they're called. Look at all these cast iron. Oh look, it's like a little gingerbread cast iron pan. It's very vintage. Why is there a hole? It's like a, what do they call these? High chair for babies, for toddlers. Ooh, look at all these. $75 for the 8 plates. What about the cups? 10 for $45. That sounds pretty affordable. The plates are more expensive. Let's go around and see what they have on the other side. Chalk, that's pretty cool. This is what they would use in class back in the days. This little spindle bed is pretty. get to that side. I mean, looks like there's not much. Anyway, let's go to the next building. Oh, wait, back up. $95 for this mirror. Never mind. You know what? If this gives off heat, it says it does. Hold on. Flame left, heat right. I wanted to get one of these for my room. Well, I wanted one that actually has like a mantle, but it's hard to find. So I was kind of thinking to get just like the insert and build my own frame around here and like a mantle over it. This one's a little small though. Let's go check the next building. So this is like all the sinks and doors and knobs and all that kind of stuff. Exciting stuff for if you're renovating or building a house. Oh my goodness, we see these again. How many times have you guys seen these in my like thrifting videos? But this is the most I've ever seen at once. So 4 cups for $12. I actually have these cups. I have 4 of them. But then any other time I would find like plates or bowls or whatever, I wouldn't find 4 of them, or they would be super expensive at like antique malls and stuff. This is pretty cool. The price has came off already. I wish I had like a spoon or something with it. See, they only have a few plates. Well, actually, they have some plates there, some there, and like 2 down there. Well, and 2 right there. But they don't have any bowls here. But it's alright. I don't think I need them. Uh-oh. Is that broken stuff? So it's like an old tea box or something, or cigar box. Oh gosh. Some picture frames. Some old tile. Amount purchased. I don't know what that is, but it looks kind of cool. Oh, you can make like some live edge floating shelves. I don't see a price for that. Some more frames. I don't know what that is. It's kind of stuck in there. Wow, another pair of wall sconce candle holders. This one's a little, oh, there it goes. $12.50 for the pair. I'm not sure how I feel about these. Got some furniture. $32. It's a solid wood piece, but I would either bleach it or paint it and either add a basket or like drawers down there. But there's only one. I actually have been looking for a pair of nightstands, like solid wood preferably, but it's really hard to find. Look at this giant bird cage. I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty cool. Okay, we made it to the knobs. I really love these like plates, and it looks like they sell them as a set, like a pair with the plates. Oh, this one has 1 plate. Okay, I'm gonna have to move it over. So $38 for 2 knobs and 2 plates. That's a pretty good deal, but they all look the same. There's no variety. I mean, I guess that's good if you want it to be consistent throughout the house, but it's not quite what I was looking for. This little spindle legs, oh nice. They have these cast iron mantles. Oh, I bet that's really heavy. Poles and knobs. Okay, see, this is what I was looking for. I really like these cast iron knobs, but they don't have any like larger ones. They have this brass one. Oh, the shape of this is really cool. That's an interesting pull. It's kind of cool. Got some doors. This little side table. Some more doors. Okay, so there was a lot of cute things in this antique store. I'm definitely going to be coming back. I'm glad I found it. It's literally like a few minutes away from my home, but I only got 2 things, and they're for my nephew. I'll just show you what I got him. Just a little candy, orange. They had like a whole little candy section, and this cute little like vintage looking airplane. And he's really been into airplanes. He's always going like, ooh, like with his hands. So I'm like, there you go. It was only $4.50. And I thought it was really cute, so I think he'll be excited about that. There's also another vintage store or antique store around here, so I want to check that out. I keep running out of storage on my phone. I really wish I brought my camera, but you know, I didn't think I was going to be filming today, so let's go check it out. Hopefully I can film something and not have any storage problems on my phone.